Here are some drop speakers, on-wall, in-wall, ready for departure and will be shipped today. About 50% of these packages will be shipped to Italy and the other 50% to Germany. Let's go into production and see what is being made today. Here is a nice spread of SR22V. An in-wall marine speaker, so it is specifically used outdoors and also facing the sea. It is a double speaker with a diameter of 13 cm and its toroidal transformers are also mounted. A maximum power of 50 watts RMS for 2. This is the front, and obviously here is missing. The formwork and also the aesthetics. Here they are. The legendary SIC 112. They are legendary because this model is among the best sellers at Garvan. A 13 cm diameter in-wall speaker for drywall. CMN is normally used to create a multi-room system, so music throughout the house. Bathroom, kitchen, they can be used in almost all indoor environments. Here we have 5 sound bars. In the assembly phase, so the speaker that is mounted under the television, normally underneath, some also mounted on top. 4 are stereophonic, so they have the right channel, left channel, and one also has the center channel. Here we have the internal component of the bookshelf speaker SB112. And these are the brand new speakers from the Celeste series. They are suspended speakers. Now here we see them upside down. It is an acoustic speaker that sounds from top to bottom. And additionally, they have an optional LED strip that is mounted here under this grille and therefore can also be used as ambient light. Usually this type of speakers used to provide sound for venues such as restaurants and cafes, pizzerias or even shops. Still in the assembly phase, here we have in-wall and on-wall. These are the terminal trays that will be installed in the soundbars. Here we are still in the initial stages where the cable still needs to be soldered and the connector fixed. Incredible, but true. But there are people behind these things and they are very capable. That's all from the Garvan audio production plant. See you in the next video. Thanks. See you soon.